To get started, first open Sibelius. Then under New Score, select your clef or instrumentation. Next, set up your document by selecting your time signature and key signature. Lastly, press Create at the bottom right of this window and start adding in the notes you want to include in this exercise. To create a Sibelius file from a MIDI file, right-click the MIDI file you want to notate, hover over Open With, and select Sibelius. Then select OK and open your file. To add a time signature, select the entire score and then at the top left go to Notation, Time Signature, and select your time signature. To add a key signature, select the entire score and then at the top left go to Notation, Key Signature, and select your key. Double check that all of your notes are spelled correctly according to your key. To add dynamics, press Command E on Mac or Control E on PC and type your dynamic beneath its corresponding note. When you're using text, use the proper text types. For example, articulations use technique text, and dynamics use expression text. When creating chords, use the chord symbol button, Command K on Mac or Control K on PC. To change voices, click through the numbers at the bottom of the keypad. If you don't see the keypad, open it by going to View, Panels, Keypad. For articulations such as the closed symbol for percussion, make sure to use the Symbols tab. When preparing your files for export, here are a few common things to check for. If random numbers and letters appear, select the entire score, and under the Home tab select Filters, Technique Text, and Delete. Make sure you delete any unnecessary text such as titles, subtitles, composers, and copyright information. Only leave the notes, articulations, dynamics, and information critical to playing the part correctly. Lastly, make sure your XML file, MIDI file, and backing tracks are the same number of measures. To export a MIDI file, go to File, Export, MIDI, and select Type 0. Then export the file. To export an XML file, go to File, Export, Music XML. Then select Uncompressed and export.